Hi guys, welcome back. Fireman Crypto here. This is a quick update. So apparently, Bitcoin just spiked to about 138k on Binance.us at the early hours of this morning, and this is unlikely caused by an individual trying to make a trade because the spike was approximately 450% above the other Bitcoin spot markets. But it did quickly settle back to the around the regular trading price of the other Bitcoin spot markets. So it was probably mostly due to the recent spike that I don't know if you can notice. Bitcoin just recently is currently around 29k, approaching 30k. So this is amid a bunch of other bullish events that have been happening, from BlackRock applying for an ETF last week to the EDX that was just recently funded by Charles Schwab, Citadel, and Fidelity resuming its trading activities. Possible reasons why it did spike on Binance is because the trading volumes on Binance has since dropped by about almost 80% amidst the whole SEC suit that Binance is ongoing in the US. So the move is likely to have been caused by those trading volumes being lower, because traditionally we need a minimum of about $842,000 worth of price activities, basically, to impact the price a 2% change in the price of Bitcoin. But this market depth on Binance was probably just around $400,000 worth of Bitcoin purchase that made it spike. So that will make it possibly spike to 2%. So given this amount of volume, Binance being the biggest exchange, and they're literally being caused by just literally small spikes right now. Even though yes, it is Binance.us, it's not Binance.com, the international markets. But yeah, it does show that the Binance's market depth has dropped by about 76% compared to May, and this is the most bullish Bitcoin has gotten. The last time it was around 30k, was probably around early May 6th, if I'm not mistaken. So at around 6:50 a.m. it spiked to about 138k, and then it did settle back immediately. So it's just a really quick spike, and you couldn't have gotten in even if you tried. So yeah, it was just a short spike. Yeah, so as you can see, Bitcoin is currently trading around 29,500, literally approaching 30k, probably reaching 30k 400 before the end of today, depending on how the volume goes. But so far we've been having a lot of volume, as you can see, and yeah, this has been a compounding effect from, like I said, BlackRock applying for an ETF last Tuesday, to EDX markets launching, and then having both Coinbase and Kraken being the sole custody, and most of the financial sponsors, investors of the exchange has been non-traditional players, including Fidelity Securities and Fidelity and Citadel Securities, and Charles Schwab as well. So yeah, definitely some big players jumping into the scene. And yes, this is definitely some bullish news, and part of the reasons, I'm guessing, why most experts believe that the next bull run might be might start sooner than we think. But yeah, hopefully the SEC resolves the issues about all other altcoins on the secondary markets being securities. But yeah, guys, that's just the update. I thought I let you guys know. Bullish events. We hoping to next year. Hopefully, we get to jump really into the bull market. Or there's some speculations that it might start. The bull run might start September or earlier next year. But yeah, bullish news. Just hope this whole SEC suit on Binance, XRP, and Coinbase blows out of the water. But as you can see, with the EDX launching, with having Coinbase and Kraken being the sole custodians, it literally just seems like the SEC is really just trying to kick Binance out of the US and give more native or more traditional, more control to the traditional native bank organizations, literally like Coinbase and Kraken. So it does seem like the SEC probably has more beef with the Binance as opposed to the others. But yeah, let's see how this plays out. Hopefully everything settles down, and we get, because as you can see, while Binance is having a very bullish run, the other altcoins are barely following along, because as we say, the issue right now is with the SEC is it classified almost all altcoins except Bitcoin as securities. So as you can see, that move alone has caused Robinhood to delist Polygon, Matic, and Cardano, including Solana and a few others, and then other exchanges have also followed through. So hopefully this all resolves sooner before the bull run and before the Bitcoin halving, and then we can be well into the next bull run and appreciate gracefully. So guys, that's the news for the day. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell notification to not miss out on future videos when I drop them, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.